Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add another Gmail account to your iPhone using the Gmail app. This is really useful if you have multiple email accounts for work, school, or personal use, and you want to switch between them easily. So go ahead and open the Gmail app on your iPhone. Once you're inside, look at the top right corner where your profile picture or initial is. Tap on that icon to open your account menu. From there, you're going to tap Add Another Account. The app will ask you what type of account you want to add. Tap Google and you'll see a confirmation message asking if you want to continue. Just tap Continue to move forward. Now you'll be taken to the Google sign-in page. Enter the email address for the account you want to add, tap Next, then enter the password. If you have two-factor authentication turned on, just complete the security step as you normally would. Once you finish signing in, the Gmail app will automatically take you into the inbox of the new account you added. You can switch between your accounts anytime by tapping your profile picture in the top corner again and selecting whichever inbox you want to view. And that's it. Your extra Gmail account is now successfully added to your iPhone inside the Gmail app, and you can check both inboxes without logging in and out. If you stop receiving emails at any point, you may need to check your sync settings or internet connection, but normally everything updates automatically. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to like the video, subscribe for more quick iPhone tips, and let me know in the comments what guide you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.